In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WPForms to Zapier. If you want to automate what happens after someone submits a form on your WordPress site, this setup is a great place to start. By connecting WPForms to Zapier, you can send form entries to other apps, trigger follow-up workflows, and reduce manual work. I'll walk you through the connection process from inside WordPress and then show you where the handoff happens in Zapier. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with permission to manage plugins and WPForm settings, since you'll need access to add-ons and integrations during this setup. Once you're in the dashboard, go to WPForms and then open add-ons. This is where WPForms lets you extend its functionality by installing extra integrations and features. Since Zapier is not connected by default in this process, this is the section you'll need to visit first. Next, scroll down until you find the Zapier add-on. When you locate it, click Install Add-on and then activate it. This step is important because it enables WPForms to communicate with Zapier. If the button wording changes after installation, that usually just means the add-on is already active and ready to use. After that, go to WPForms, then Settings, and click on the Integrations tab. This area contains all available connection options for third-party services. You're basically moving from installation to configuration here, which is the normal flow for setting up any integration inside WPForms. In the Integrations tab, click on the Zapier icon. This will expand the Zapier settings panel and display the information needed to connect your site with your Zapier account. Now copy the Zapier API key shown on the screen. This key is used to authorize the connection between WPForms and Zapier, so treat it like a private credential. Don't share it publicly, and if you're recording or demonstrating this process, it's a good idea to hide the actual key on screen. With that copied, head over to Zapier and create a new Zap to connect WPForms. During that setup, Zapier will prompt you to connect your WPForms account, and this is where you'll paste in the API key from WordPress. Once the connection is accepted, you can continue building your automation based on your form submissions. And that's it. You've installed the Zapier add-on in WPForms, accessed the integration settings, copied the API key, and started the connection process in Zapier. After this, you're ready to use your forms as triggers for automated workflows across the apps you already use.